Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. Today, we're diving into a seriously underrated update, CapCut's new AI video maker for desktop. This isn't a gimmick. It's a fully featured, completely free video generator that lets you create professional content in minutes. No editing skills needed. Whether you're building tutorials, story videos, or even avatar-based content, CapCut's AI is fast, flexible, and surprisingly powerful. Let's take a look at how it works and what makes it stand out. First, download or update CapCut for desktop using the link in the description. Once installed, open the app, log in, and select AI Video Maker from the main dashboard. This opens CapCut's new AI workspace, where you'll see 6 creation options: online video editor, instant AI video, avatar video, Brainstorm with AI, match media, and AI video remake. Each one serves a different purpose, and in this video, I'll walk you through every feature with real examples, so you can decide what works best for your content. Instant AI video. This feature creates a fully generated video from just a script. No manual editing required. Here's how it works. Choose a video style and aspect ratio. Paste in your script, or let CapCut generate one for you. Pick a voiceover style and click Create. CapCut will build your video scene by scene. The result? A complete video with synced captions, visuals, and voice narration. You can tweak anything using the built-in editor. Key tools include the Scene Editor, which lets you replace or trim scenes using AI-generated clips or your own footage. There's also Script and Captions, where you can rewrite your script manually, or with AI, then regenerate everything instantly. Plus, the Music and AI Effects option lets you either add music manually or use the new AI Edit mode to enhance your video automatically with stickers, effects, transitions, and sound cues. Once you're done, you can export your video in up to 4K with no watermark. For a free tool, that's impressive.
What if AI brought dinosaurs back to life? So you're petting your dinosaur, right? And you notice it has scales, not feathers. And then it lays an egg. So now you have a baby dinosaur. It looks cute, but it's actually terrifying. Because these dinosaurs are huge, like literally the size of a house, and they're also really dangerous. They have sharp teeth and claws, and they're very, very hungry. So you run away and you hide in your car. But the dinosaur is too big for the car. It breaks through the roof and it starts eating your brains. And then it lays another egg. And from that egg hatches a giant horrifying chicken. So now you're like, okay, maybe this isn't such a good idea. But it is too late because the AI has already learned from your DNA what your favorite dinosaur is. And it's bringing it back to life. So what do? You fight back with the power of friendship. Because the thing about dinosaurs is they're really lonely. And if you can befriend one, they will be your friend forever.
Want to create a face-to-camera video without being on camera? CapCut's Avatar video feature lets you do just that. You can either use one of CapCut's default AI avatars or upload footage of yourself and generate a custom talking avatar that mirrors your voice and facial expressions. Once your avatar is ready, input your script, choose a voice style.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
And hit generate. The result is a professional-looking avatar presentation, perfect for explainer videos, courses, or faceless content.
CapCut, new AI avatar feature lets you generate a lifelike digital version of yourself perfect for faceless content or building a virtual persona in seconds. With just a selfie and a script, CapCut creates a talking AI avatar that looks and sounds like you, ideal for reels or going viral without showing your face.
AI video remake. This is ideal if you want to recreate viral formats like storytime, fun facts, or motivational reels. Just pick a template and enter the script, like your subject and key data points, and CapCut fills in the rest. It automatically generates visuals, voice, and script based on the format. This is a major time saver for high-volume creators who need content fast.
This is what the city of the future will look like. It's going to be a vertical city. All of the buildings are going to be super tall and thin, just like this one right here. And instead of having like 100 floors, it's going to have thousands of floors. And these buildings are going to be made out of glass and steel. So it's going to be very, very shiny. There's also going to be a lot of green space in the middle of the city. They're going to have parks and farms and even places to raise livestock. And these are going to be all powered by renewable energy. So the city is going to be carbon neutral. And instead of cars, we're going to have drones and flying taxis. And the streets are going to be for pedestrians only. So it's going to be a great place to live if you don't like cars. There's also going to be robots everywhere doing all of the work. So it's going to be a very livable city for humans. What do you think? Would you like to live in a city like this?
Feeling stuck on ideas? Let CapCut help. Just type your topic into the Brainstorm with AI feature. This feature to let AI help you brainstorm ideas, find key information, and create powerful video scripts effortlessly. Let's give it a try. Start by clicking Brainstorm with AI and share your video idea. Then hit Execute, and the AI will generate ideas in a visual mind map. Next, pick a topic you like and click Explore to unlock detailed key point suggestions. When you find a point you want to use, just click Pick. It's that simple. Now click Generate Script, choose your video duration, and then hit Generate. CapCut, I will create a full script and open it in the editor. You can also add avatar in the video. Want to streamline everything? Use the Apply to All option. And here's the final video created using this exact workflow.
This is incredible. So, we've talked about swarm intelligence before, how ant colonies make decisions collectively, but never in a million years did I think I'd see it in bees. A new study shows that honeybee colonies make collective choices in a similar way to ants. Yes, bees vote. When faced with a choice, like whether to move to a new hive or keep the old one, bees do what we call a walk-in, where they go around the hive and talk to other bees. And then, after a certain amount of time, they all agree on one choice and move on. It's fascinating to watch, but this behavior has been observed in other animals as well, like fish and birds. But until now, we didn't know if it was actually a thing in insects. This is a huge deal because it means that we can apply the lessons we've learned from these other animals to bees as well. For example, we know that in some cases, like with birds, the more information you give them, the better their collective decision-making is. So maybe we can give bees more information to help them make better decisions. Like what kind of decisions? Well, decisions about things like where to find food, how to defend the hive, and even how much honey to make.
Already have raw footage and a script? This is the fastest way to turn them into a polished video. Upload your files and CapCut will automatically edit everything, syncing your voice, visuals, and captions. This is great for podcasts, interviews, or converting long-form footage into ready-to-publish content.
Butterflies are nature's delicate masterpieces, fluttering through gardens with wings painted in vibrant colors. They begin life as humble caterpillars, transforming through metamorphosis into symbols of beauty and change. Beyond their elegance, butterflies play a vital role in pollination, helping ecosystems thrive. Whether dancing on flowers or gliding through sunlight, they remind us of life's quiet miracles and the power of transformation.
CapCut's AI Video Maker is fast, powerful, and completely free, perfect for creators at any level. It simplifies video creation without sacrificing control. Download the desktop version using the link below, or try it in your browser or on mobile. If this helped, subscribe to AI Finder for more tools that save you time and boost creativity. See you in the next one.